Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing the weekly setup in my B6 Stalogy, which is in this raspberry leather cover from MLG Co. And I will be using this washi tape from Simply Gilded. And I've had this kit for a while. I actually have 3 of them. This is from Piper Paper Company. It is called Planner Babe, and it's 3 sheets, so you get the full boxes, half boxes and quarter boxes, and then script stickers, deco, icons, and some more boxes, as well as days of the week. And I'm going to be using this. I think I'm going to supplement with Simply Lovely from the Happy Planner. Once again, I keep saying this, I need to get rid of my Happy Planner books by using them. I'm going to do that year thing. If I haven't used it in a year, I'm going to get rid of it. So I kind of considered that the other day, that a lot of them I have not used and probably never will. So maybe I should just get rid of them. I don't know. Anywho, that is in the back of my mind as well. Like I mentioned, I have 2 other of those kits, the Planner Babe kits from Piper Paper Company, and I will actually be giving those away. So stay tuned. This is last week. I still haven't filled in all the card information yet, but I will. I added this sticker from JD in Brooklyn, and I tipped it in. This is just a piece of cardstock. On the other side is the ID sticker that I was given when I went to my kids' school to speak to my daughter's guidance counselor because they changed her schedule and took a class away that she needs to graduate. So I had to go out there and get that straightened out. So I just kept the sticker and put it on the back of that. Then this is what the other days look like. I have the candle care for the Isis Ella Jewels Mimosa candle that I have, and I want to keep that. I kind of want to tip it in, but I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but that's going to go here. Maybe I can put it on this page and that would be better. I don't know. But so for right now, I'm just keeping it there. Then this is the rest of the week, how it came out, so you can see I actually used it quite a bit. So moving on to this week, again, I'm using that kit, and this is the washi. I really like the sidebar washi, so I may use that for a couple of weeks coming up. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this Stardust washi in the sidebar, and it's kind of like a rainbowy color. I chose this because it's kind of got a gradient of rainbow, or a type of rainbow color in the planners on the stickers, so I just thought that would be a good choice. So that's what we're doing. And I have not pulled out any dolls yet. And I'm pulling that tape way too tight. I gotta relax. I think I'm a little tense today. Let's relax. Not so tight. Makes the pages curl. If you didn't know that, if you pull the washi tape tight, especially if you're using a thinner paper, it will make the paper curl. So you gotta have a delicate touch. Not so rough. And basically, when I do these from scratch spreads, what you're doing is kind of designing your own planner pages. So this way, every week or every day, even if you choose to do it that way, you can have a different look in your planner. And that is also kind of what the decorating is about. Even if you're using pre-printed inserts or a pre-printed planner, you are decorating it to customize it and make it your own, to fit your mood, to fit your style, whatever the case may be. Let's see, do I want these bows to go this way? No, let's go the other way. Probably should have put those on the edge first. Then I'm using the black because there's a lot of black in this, but I don't know how that's gonna work. Okay, let's just keep going because this is what I had in mind. So I'm gonna keep going with it. So I think that is all of the pages done with the washi tape. So this is our to-do/notes page. I'm actually going to use the days of the week that came with the kit. And I'm going to use these up top like so. Let's see what we got in dates and holidays. So this is the week of the 19th through the 25th. This is dates and holidays from the Happy Planner. This book is from 2017. And it's falling apart because I use it a lot. I'm going to go ahead and put down full boxes. Where are they? So I definitely want this one first. And I'm just going to put the full boxes up under the dates. For this day, and for my notes, I'm going to use this sticker, turn it to the side. I'm going to use this to-do sticker. Okay. And let's see what else. So that's one sheet of that. Then let's see, for sure on Wednesday I have an appointment. So I'm going to use one of these on Wednesday. And then on Monday I order groceries. So I'm going to do grocery shopping. Let's use one of these lighter colored stickers. So I'm going to put grocery shopping here. And then I also went to the post office, but I don't see anything to mark that. So let's grab these script stickers from Piper Paper Company. So let's see, post office run. What's happening Tuesday is laundry day. Wednesday is payday. Might as well use these up. Let's do clean house on Thursday. Fridays pay bills. Let's say bill due. Same difference. And Saturday is run errands. And let's see what we got here. We got planner stuff that I can use on Sunday for deco. And I can use one of my big plan stickers. Okay, that's a little over the top, but couldn't be helped. Let's see, we got a tiny little trash icon. There's the trash stickers. So Thursday is trash day. I'm gonna put that up top. And these are so tiny. This by the payday. My Wednesday appointment. This is clean house. This is groceries, I think. It's so tiny, I'm not sure, but I think that's what that is. Let's do this grocery delivery on Monday. So I shop and I'm gonna have it delivered. Guess I can squeeze that in right there. Tuesday is laundry day. Let's use one of these for that. Am I in frame? I'm gonna just put that sticker down crooked. And start putting down some of these boxes. Let's do it like that. Okay. So did I use all of those? Yep. Trying to use everything. So these I'll keep in the back in case I need them later in the week. Okay, so here are some of the newest Isis Ella Jewels stickers. These are the ones for the affirmations. So I'm not going to use those yet. And then these are from Daily Reminders. Oh, I forgot about the script stickers from Isis Ella Jewels that I could have used. We'll revisit these next week to use those script stickers. So for now, what dolls do I want to use? I'm gonna save those for another planner. You can use her here. So maybe I won't use big dolls, they'll be small. So I'm using at least one of all of these. I really don't want to use her yet, but I think I will. I'm actually going to put her on this side, on this one. Are there any lilies that I want to use? Let's use one of these over here. Reading Lily. Seems like lately I have been listening to audiobooks mostly on the weekend. So I'm gonna put her here just for deco and then put my lines around her. Put this on Saturday. Just for a little deco. Let's do this on Friday night. Wash hair. Spiritual cleanse. I don't really need that one. Let's use one of these. I think that is everything I'm going to put on this spread. I'm going to go ahead and add my lines and do the final flip through. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I will be giving away these two kits. They do have two different skin tones. You can let me know which you prefer. I will choose 2 random winners from the comments below. To qualify, you must be 18 years or older and in the US. To enter, all you need to do is leave a comment below. Let me know what planner you're using and if you use sticker kits or random stickers, or just tell me about your planning style. I'll put all the other information about the giveaway in the description box below. Good luck. Okay, so I put all my lines. I'm not sure I like this color very much, but it is 761. I wanted to do something different from the typical gray that I've been using, but I think I will go back to the gray. I think the gray looks better. It's more subtle. You can hardly see it. It's like the perfect color. This is a little more fluorescent than I like, but what's done is done. I said I was going to supplement with this, but I don't know that there's anything much in here I want to use. I guess I could use some of these checklists. Maybe not. Let's use a couple of these hearts. I don't know. I guess I'm just not into the Happy Planner stickers anymore. They don't speak to me like they used to. I'm saving these for a special spread though. But yeah, so I think I'm just going to leave it and maybe use these as needed throughout the week. Because there's just nothing in there that's saying use me, really. Okay. So that's the setup for the week in the B6 Stalogy. I used a kit from Piper Paper Company, dolls and character stickers from Isis Ella Jewels. The washi tape is from Simply Gilded. The date dots are from the Dates and Holidays book from the Happy Planner. And I believe that is everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.